He flew all the way from Antigua just to be on the show. In this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's meet Shattakeem.
My name is Akeem, but then call me Shattakeem. You know, music thing, just try to do like a reality, like a dancehall, every little thing, you know. Don't soak everything. Bring a new vibes, a new little melody, different kind of style, you know. And then thing, nothing too regular. I've been 3 years with Federation, it's been going real good so far, real good. Love up the vibes, man.
Coming to Antigua, what should we expect musically? What kind of songs do we expect to hear?
Well, expected to hear the top sound. Cannabis of the top sound, you know? Real vibes, may I tell you. And you have a sound right there now named Venomous, bad too. So 2 yard man, bad, may I tell you. And now a couple other little sound, Poison that, that's a big sound, Poison that.
How you got interested in reggae and dancehall music, seeing that you're based in Antigua?
Well, from a little come up from about 13, 14, we used to play sound in my brother and so. But I don't really do it no more. But the music telling me. One day I go studio with some of my little brethren them. Cause them they just be artists and then thing they then ask me for a ride go to the studio. I hang out with them there the studio and I realize everybody come sing and then sound bad, me tell you, and I catch up the vibes exactly the next day after. I just build on vibes and build on song. From now to nowhere, just build on song, showing me love the vibes tonight. I'm just continue to go with the flow, you know. My second home, straight up, vibes turn up. People and them good too. Loyal, real. I love the place. Big up Jamaica.
Which video made it on the block this week? There's only one way to find out. Let's check out the music video premiere of the week.
Jamaica. I pray, I pray, I pray, I pray, I pray. I pray for a better Jamaica, a better Jamaica. Go make no of the plan politician, I make a mess of Jamaica, big mess of Jamaica. How them a go on if them continue on, nothing no left for Jamaica, no sell no more acre. Travel all over the world and every girl I say them prefer Jamaica. Every country have respect for Jamaica, except Jamaica. Them take a little paradise granted. Inna them and them have the people life around with. It seem like them take the country put up on bid. Cause everything me see them take sell to the Chinese. Look how long was that tell them to feel legalize it. Say the rest of the world I do it, now them realize it. Cut out the farmer man but that never surprise me. I'm on there a little highway. And I pray for a better Jamaica, a better Jamaica. Go make no of the plan politician and make a mess of Jamaica, big mess of Jamaica. How them a go on if them continue on, nothing no left for Jamaica, no sell no more acre. Travel all over the world and every girl I say them prefer Jamaica. Every country have respect for Jamaica, except Jamaica. People are crying, people are crying. Youths with degrees sit down looking in the sky. Cause the country now provide no job for them apply. No call them lazy, you know sister them a try. We no have no aisle, so back to the style. Back to the cutlass, rub it with the file. Back to when the whole village used to raise the child. Too much of them a spoil. I am pray for a better Jamaica, a better Jamaica. Go make no of the plan politician and make a mess of Jamaica, big mess of Jamaica. How them a go on if them continue on, nothing no left for Jamaica, no sell no more.
Tarrus Riley and Keznamdi brought some heat to the Appleton Estate Signature series. More when we return.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit